Shouldn't we slow down, Captain? That's an oasis up ahead.
Keep peddling, Smee. Can't you recognize a mirage when you see one? Ah!
Waterfalls and tikis guard the hidden doors to a pirate hangout made from shipwrecks washed ashore. Tunnels and secret doors, ladderways through the floor, grottos and hidden caves, pulleys and counterweights. It's a hideout in disguise, a palm tree covered isle, to make sure that old feather hat stays away. Pirate Island Hideout. Pirate Island Hideout. A hideaway out on the sea, a Neverland mystery. Pirate Island